Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Pad 7. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. Then tap on whatever you want to in the pop-up and tap on your device's displays to select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of XIAOMI. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!